Students, this is 181st maths class. Look at that one more question. Find the local maximum and local minimum values of the function fx is equal to sin x plus cos x. X values should lie. X values should be taken in from first quadrant. X value should be from first quadrant. Observe this condition. X values should belong to first quadrant. Should be from first quadrant only. Let us follow the same procedure. So f dash x, differentiation of sin x is cos x. Differentiation of cos x is minus sin x. Differentiation of cos x is minus sin x. Let us follow the same procedure. First let's go for finding critical points. For the critical points, f dash x is 0. F dash x is 0. Put f dash x equals 0. 0 equals cos x minus sin x. Bring that minus sin x this side. Bring that minus sin x this side. This implies sin x is equal to cos x. Bring that cos x down. So sin x by cos x is equal to 1. What is sin by cos, students? Tan x is equal to 1. First quadrant x value required. First quadrant x value required. For that you write for this 1, for this number 1, you write first quadrant angle. Tell me how much 1 means tan 45. So write. So tan x is equal to, so tan 45. Tan 45. Tan pi by 4. What is the value of tan pi by 4? It is 1. For that 1, you could write, you can write tan 45. Tan get cancels. X is equal to pi by 4. This x value enough because this is the x value from the first quadrant. 45 degree. 45 degree belongs to first quadrant. 45 degree lies between 0 and 90. So this x value. Here we are getting only one x value because x value should be belong to first quadrant, right? So after getting critical point, what will be the next step? Finding f double dash x. You go for finding f double dash x, right? F double dash x. So differentiation of cos x is minus sin x. Minus differentiation of sin x is cos x. Cos x. So right. Now put that, students. F double dash pi by 4. So minus sin. What is x? Pi by 4. Sin 45. Sin 45 minus 1 by root 2. Cos 45 minus 1 by root 2. Same denominators, odd the numerators. Minus 1, minus 1. It is minus 2 by root 2. So minus 2 by root 2. You write 2 as root 2 whole square. Minus, so root 2 whole square by root 2. Root 2 whole square means 2 only. Root 2 get cancels. Minus root 2. Negative or positive, students? Negative. Negative. If it is negative, what is this point? X is equal to pi by 4 called. It should be point of local maxima. So therefore, x is equal to pi by 4 is point of local maxima. Local maxima. It should be point of local maxima. Now let's go for finding local maximum value. Local maximum value is local maximum value is equal to f pi by 4 sin pi by 4 plus cos pi by 4. So right, if I put maximum point na fx ಗೆ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ maximum value ಬರುತ್ತೆ, minimum point na fx ಗೆ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ minimum value ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಒಂದೇ x ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋದು ನಮಗೆ, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಈಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ಅನ್ನು ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫೈ ಮಾಡುವಂತ x ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಒಂದೇ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಒಂದೇ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. So no other x value from first quadrant satisfies this equation. So we will get only one x value, right? What is sin 45? 1 by root 2. Cos 45? 1 by root 2. Same denominators are the numerators. 2 by root 2. So you write 2 as root 2 whole square by root 2. So root 2 get cancelled, so root 2. So how much is the local maximum value, students? So root 2. I hope you understood. Let us solve one more question of the same type. Find the local maximum and local minimum values of the function fx is equal to sin x minus cos x. Sin x minus cos x. So 0 less than x less than 2 pi. Here 0 to 2 pi means which includes all the quadrants. If all the quadrants are given, surely we will get 2x values. If first quadrant given, you look at this note, students. Note. You keep this note in mind. If first quadrant given, find only one x value. Find so one x value. So point number 2. If all quadrants are given, all 4 quadrants are given, 4 quadrants are given, find 2x values. If only first quadrant given, you go for finding only one x value. Useful note, it is useful for you. If all 4 quadrants are given, you find 2x values. Same thing we did in increasing decreasing also. You recall that. Remember some useful points, students. So right. Now all the quadrants are given. You follow same procedure. You use the same procedure. Solution f dash x. So differentiation of sin x is cos x. So differentiation of cos x is minus sin x. Minus or minus plus sin x. So for the critical points, f dash x is 0. So put f dash x equals 0. This implies 0 equals cos x plus sin x. Bring back the sin x this side. So write sin x, bring that cos x this side. Minus cos x is equal to sin x. Cross multiply. Minus 1 is equal to sin x by cos x. Cross multiply. What is sin by cos? Tan x. Tan x is equal to minus 1. So minus 1 negative. Tan x is equal to minus 1. So tan x is equal to, so tan minus pi by 4. So tan minus pi by 4. So we are getting a So write wait students. So tan x is negative. So tan x is negative. Tan x is negative in second and fourth quadrants. So second and fourth quadrants. So where the tan is negative students? Here I am getting tan x value as negative. Tan x values becomes negative in second, because in second quadrant sin positive, tan negative. In third quadrant tan positive, but tan should be negative. So in second and fourth quadrants, all tan x values are negative. So therefore, I must find x value in second quadrant and fourth quadrant. We get 2x values in second and fourth quadrants. First let us find second quadrant angle. So tan x is equal to, so write 180 minus theta, x is equal to, directly write. So tell me second quadrant angle students, 180 minus theta, pi minus theta. Second quadrant angle, pi minus theta. So theta, acute angle. Theta, 1 means 5 by 4. Tell me angle related to 1. Tell me angle related to 1. It should be pi by 4. Pi by 4. For theta, you use acute angle. Theta is acute angle use ಮಾಡಿ. 1 ಗೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟಿರೋ acute angle ಯಾವುದು? Pi by 4. Pi minus pi by 4. So 4 pi minus pi, 3 pi by 4. I got one of the x value in second quadrant. Let us go for fourth quadrant angle. X is equal to, so write minus theta, that is minus pi by 4. Fourth quadrant angle. So negative angles. This is minus theta, it belongs to fourth quadrant. Minus theta lies in fourth quadrant. So we got two critical points students. Now go for confirming that. So write f double dash x. So this is second quadrant angle, this is fourth quadrant angle, because minus theta belongs to fourth quadrant. Minus 30, minus 45. Change the direction. Positive angle. If I move in negative direction, minus 30, minus 10, minus 30, minus 40, minus 90, minus 180, minus 270, minus 360. Move in that negative direction. So therefore, minus of acute angle must be in fourth quadrant. Minus of acute angle, minus theta belongs to fourth quadrant. Minus theta belongs to fourth quadrant. Minus theta always belongs to fourth quadrant students. Remember that. So f double dash x. We got f dash x, f double dash x minus sin x plus differentiation of sin x is cos x. First let us check that first point. F double dash 3 pi by 4 minus sin 3 pi by 4 plus cos 3 pi by 4. Simplify that. Minus sin, you write 3 pi by 4 as pi minus pi by 4 plus cos pi minus pi by 4. Now 180 minus theta, which quadrant is that? Second quadrant. In second quadrant sin is positive. Function will not change because we have pi. What is sin? 180 minus theta? Sin theta minus sin pi by 4. Cos 180 minus theta, second quadrant. In second quadrant cos is negative. In second quadrant cos is negative. Minus cos theta means pi by 4. So theta means pi by 4. Minus sin pi by 4 minus cos pi by 4. Minus 1 by root 2 minus 1 by root 2. Same denominators, add the numerators. Same denominators, you go for adding numerators. So write f double dash 3 pi by 4 minus 2 by root 2 minus 2 by root 2 minus root 2 whole square by root 2. Root 2 get cancels. Minus root 2 negative. So negative. So what is this point called then? Maximum point or minimum point? Maximum point. Therefore, x is equal to 3 pi by 4 is point of local maxima. Point of local maxima. Calculate maximum value, students. That implies local maximum value is equal to, put that point in fx, sin 3 pi by 4 minus cos 3 pi by 4 is equal to sin 3 pi by 4 pi minus pi by 4 minus cos pi minus pi by 4. You write 3 pi by 4 as pi minus pi by 4. 3 pi by 4 as pi minus. Yes. Sin 180 minus theta, sin pi by 4 minus cos 180 minus theta, minus cos theta. In second quadrant cos is negative, minus or minus plus. In second quadrant cos is negative, minus or minus plus. Cos of pi by 4. Simplify that. So 1 by root 2 plus 1 by root 2. So 2 by root 2. It is root 2. How much is local maximum value, students? So root 2. Let us go for checking one more point. We have one more point to be checked. Fourth quadrant angle, second quadrant angle. So right. Now you check this. F double dash minus pi by 4. Substitute that. Minus sin, what is x? Minus pi by 4 plus cos minus pi by 4. X is minus pi by 4. Put x is equal to minus pi by 4. Minus sin minus pi by 4 plus cos minus pi by 4. So right there. What is sin minus theta? Minus sin theta. Remember this. Sin minus theta minus sin theta. Cos minus theta cos theta. So tan minus theta minus tan theta. So go for that. F double dash minus pi by 4. Minus or minus plus sin pi by 4 plus what is cos minus theta? Cos theta. Cos pi by 4. So it is 1 by root 2 plus 1 by root 2. Same denominators, odd the numerators. So 2 by root 2. You write 2 as root 2 whole square. It is root 2. So root 2. Positive or negative, students? Positive. So I am getting positive. Positive means what is this point called? Maximum point or minimum point? Minimum point. Therefore, x is equal to minus pi by 4 is point of so local minima. Scholars, x is equal to minus pi by 4 is point of local minima. You calculate minimum value. So local minimum value. That implies local value is equal to, so write directly. So minus sin minus pi by 4 plus minus cos minus pi by 4 What is sin minus theta, students? Minus sin theta. Minus sin pi by 4 cos minus theta. Cos minus theta, cos theta. Minus cos pi by 4 minus 1 by root 2 minus 1 by root 2 minus 1 by root 2 minus 1 by root 2. Calculate that. So is equal to minus 1 by root 2 minus 1 by root 2. Same denominators. Add the numerators. Minus 2 by root 2. You write 2 as root 2 whole square. So minus root 2. So how much is local minimum value, students? Minus root 2. Local maximum value plus root 2. So I hope you understood, students. We have one more shortcut method to solve this problem. I explain that. So write so overall, one more shortcut method to solve this problem. Look at this, students. Fx is equal to sin x minus cos x. So fx is equal to multiply and divide by root 2. So root 2 into 1 by root 2 sin x minus 1 by root 2 cos x. 1 by root 2 sin x minus 1 by root 2 cos x. So fx is equal to root 2. I write 1 by root 2 as cos pi by 4 sin x minus I write 1 by root 2 as sin pi by 4 cos x. For this I am taking cos 45. So what is cos 45? 1 by root 2 sin x minus for 1 by root 2 I take sin 45 because to make it formula sin x cos y minus cos x sin y. Sin x cos y minus cos x sin y is equal to sin x minus y. Sin x minus y. Just I arranged it for formula. No differentiation, nothing. In this method, don't follow your procedure. Without using your procedure, can be solved directly also. Right? Fx equals root 2. So root 2 into so right sin x cos y minus cos x sin y. Sin x minus y. X minus y means pi by 4. Sin x cos pi by 4 minus cos x sin pi by 4. So we have this one, students. Sin x minus pi by 4 lies between minus 1 and plus 1. Sin theta. What is the range of sin theta? Whatever this theta is, theta immediately sin theta must lie between minus 1 and plus 1. From this it is so clear. Minus 1 is minimum value of sin theta. Plus 1 is maximum value of sin theta. Sin theta ge kadime value andre minus 1, ಜಾಸ್ತಿ value andre plus 1. If I substitute minimum value of this quantity in this, I am going to get minimum value. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು ಈ ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿಗೆ ಮಿನಿಮಮ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ fx ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಮಿನಿಮಮ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಈ ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿಗೆ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ fx ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ಇದ್ರ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ಇದ್ರ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇದ್ರ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು? -1. That implies right only local minimum value. So local minimum value local minimum value is equal to local minimum value of fx is equal to, so root 2 into tell me minimum value of sin x minus pi by 4. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ minimum value ಎಷ್ಟು? -1. So -1, it is minus root 2. Same thing we got in that lengthy procedure also. You observe that last problem, same answer we got. So write local maximum value of local maximum value of fx equals, so tell me maximum value of this function students. ಈ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಗೆ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಎಷ್ಟು? +1 ಆಗಿ ನಿಮಗೆ fx ಗೆ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ಇದಕ್ಕೂ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ಇದಕ್ಕೂ, ಅದು ಲಾಜಿಕ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಸೊ root 2 into 1, it is root 2. I hope you understood students. Let us stop this class. We shall continue in the next class. For your doubts, you call me or message me. I answer for all your doubts. Thank you.